What is up, everyone? Hope we're doing good. As you can see, I'm finally moved and settled in the new place. So hopefully the lighting's okay. I've still got some things to do with that, so we'll see how that goes. Now, as for an update on what I did last week, I think I was 2% up for the week last week. I'm not going to go through and do a recap. One, because all my journaling's all over the place. I was in the middle of moving. And two, yeah, that's probably the main reason, really. It's just my journaling's all over the place. So we're going to start fresh this week. I'm up 6% for the year. So 4 and a bit percent, and then 1 and a bit percent. So like 1.7, which was last week, which puts me up 6%. So every video, every trade now will be able to be broken down. I'm pretty settled in here now, just getting the internet sorted properly, but I'll be able to break those things down. So make sure you're subscribed, make sure to like the video. The free Telegram, the free Discord, the links are below. Premium Discord as well as below, which is where the premium, you get mentoring and that type of thing. So Wednesdays, I will also be trading on YouTube. So that'll be free for you guys if you guys want to watch that. And every live stream, Tuesday and Thursday with the group, and then Wednesday will be recorded and posted within the free Discord if you want to go back and watch the recordings. So other than that, let's get into it. So as you can see, this is what we're working with this week on Euro. Now, I think we are going to come and take the high, but we are in a bit of an interesting spot. So on the daily, this is our range. We haven't filled this daily point, and for me, I kind of want to come fill that. So these are the two options. On the 4 hour, we've come to this point that like shouldn't hold. Realistically, given structure, like we've broken here, pulled back, broken again, we were getting really, really good structure. But because we didn't fill this, I still have that as my bearish range externally. So that is my external 4 hour. That's my internal 4 hour. So first break, decisional with retest, extreme. That's my extreme. And then this is my internal range working internally in here. And basically all that's telling me is I think we're due for a reaction off this. Now I could be wrong, and this could just be your external range. It's very, very interesting with the current price action we have. So ideally I want to see a sell-off from here. It would be nice to come down to this point and fill this point. Just understand that at the same time, GU actually took important liquidity and pushed up. So you can actually look at this as somewhat mitigated this area, for example. And then we've come in and we've broken, we've pulled back down, created a new range. Either or, that is my current 4 hour range, and that's what I'm going to use. And that's just resetting the view, that's where I'm at. So I'm not going to worry too much about this. I'm just going to understand that it can. In terms of going down to lower time frame, as you can see, the news on Friday, there's just no point. So today is a no trading day. This is just kind of the forecast for the week. Now GU, like I said, a lot cleaner. That's my daily range. So we had daily break, we had internal break, pull up, mitigation of that extreme, and then push again. So daily internally bearish, daily externally bullish. And then on the 4 hour, we're working up bullish. So really, really good break of structure up higher. We've then had really, really good reaction here. This was last week, really good off this decisional and push, and that's our current range. So straight range, daily extreme. Once we can get some 4 hour reversal confirmations this way, I'm actually quite happy to sell. If not, and we push through, we'll just have such a straight range. We won't have much to work with anyway. So today, no trading day. Let's see what it does. But that's what I'm kind of predicting, and that'll be on Instagram for you guys as well. Now AU, which has got nothing. Daily break, area of retest, 4 hour created structure, did not break internally. That's my 4 hour range, give or take. Nothing to do. I'm just expecting a bit of reversal. On the daily, as you can see, we have come up to this daily high, which did result in that daily low. So we are in an extreme daily on every pair, basically. So it would be nice to get that retracement. So now the DXY, I left on what we did last week, really, really clean, actually followed out to a T. Now what I'm kind of expecting is now, if you look on the daily, we are in the extreme. So I had this as a break. We're in the daily extreme point now, which I can draw out. And basically what I'm expecting is that somewhat of a reversal now. Not necessarily to come and take the high, but it does make sense to. So that would be clean. So daily extreme, which lines up with every other pair, but all we're waiting for is confirmation. So what I would be expecting, let me just delete all this crap. What I would be expecting is basically some type of like that. That's what I want. So that's what I'm kind of looking at coming into this week. Tomorrow's market outlook will more or less be the one you want to be there for. This is just kind of the weekly. And and we kind of go from there. So any questions, drop them below. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Like I said, all the links down below for all the groups, free groups and premium. And yeah, let's get rolling.